Okay, in this video we're going to show how to launch our world. So you have to go to cd catkin src our folder name, and then you have to type the Python launcher Kinect, or you can launch in each of the terminals the commands that are in the command file. Okay, so you go to src, and our command.sh has all the commands you have to launch, so it will be these ones here. Okay, so if you do it, what we have done is to we do not display the 3D cloud point because it takes a lot of time. So now what we are going to display only is this image that is going to show our detection of the texture in the cube, and at the same time we're going to print some results in this terminal that you can see here, and at the same time we're going to launch another command that is the PD controller. Okay, so I'm going to try to launch it here in at the bottom. So it's called run. Well, in this video what we're going to show is how our independent robot is going to work. So when we are in this folder that is going to correspond to the folder you can download from the repository, and we launch the Python file, or if we introduce the commands you can see here one by one in different terminals, okay, we obtain the following set. Okay, I'm going to launch it again. We should obtain something like this. We have an image in which we have the autonomous tracking, in which we can obtain the 4 values of the position of these 4 points that you can see here. Okay, and we obtain also the central reference, which we are going to use to move independently the robot. So at this stage what we have to do is run also the controller that is called the run PD controller. So if we do that, we will see that our robot is going to move towards the objective, and here what we're going to do is publish not only the position, okay, as you can see here, the pose of this central point, but also the values of the pixels, as you can see here, of each of the 4 dots of the texture. So once we reach our objective, as you can see here, we have the value of the set, okay, here, sorry, and whenever it reaches 0.8, okay, that is going to be the condition for stopping our robot and start turning and looking for the second, as you can see, the second cube. So we have just reached that condition, and what you can see is that we have an exception where it says we cannot find any kind of dot. So when the exception occurs, our algorithm says that you have to start moving in or rotating in order to find the next cube, and that's what he's doing now. So once this algorithm finds the 4 points, as you can see here, that are ordered from 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 for example, he starts moving again towards the objective, and once the set value, which is the depth from our camera to the objective, reaches the 0.8, is going to start again the exception and trying to find the next cube. So I'm going just to wait till he starts the exception again, that you're going to see it here in just a few seconds. So I believe it's going to happen now. So okay, he starts moving, and whenever it loses the points reference, you can see here the exception, and then he starts saying we don't have any blob detected, any dot detected. We're going to try to find another one. So he's turning again in an infinite loop in order to find the next one. Okay, so you can see that he's turning, and in a couple of seconds he's going to find again another reference, and he's going to go towards that point. Okay, so that's done. Thanks for watching. You have any questions,